how to buy hold on win liberty token. So this token came under the symbol of HOWL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, remotes, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before we go on and buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener, and the liquidity here are locked, as you can see, by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is came under this Solana network. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Now here, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here. Now paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Here, type how much you want to buy with that token, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. So now select the provider, for example Jupiter provider, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage. After that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy HOWL token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.